Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to install the Chrome deletes for the Honda CR-V 2022. So it's going to be the installation for the wheels. Link for the product will be down in the description below, but with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So for the wheels, it's the same thing. We're going to apply slip solution to clean off all the pieces where we're going to install the decal. So mainly on the chrome side, we need it clean. Once you have it clean, you're going to start off by aligning the bottom piece first. And once you have the bottom section aligned, you work your way in installing the rest of the film. It's pretty simple, just like that. And then we just continue on with the rest. Okay, and then you just finish off by installing the small pieces on each top layer. So just align it from the middle and then work your way from each end. And then just rinse and repeat on each set. Okay, and once you're done installing every set, the last thing is just post heating with heat, and then you're all done.